Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can import any media into CapCut PC. You can either go to your folder and select, for instance, this much, dragging it and placing it in that media tab there. I'm just going to delete it. Or you can press the import button here and just double click on it, or you can select a lot and press enter on your keyboard or press open. You can import JPEGs, PNGs, audio like MP3, and stuff like that. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can import media into CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.